Let us open the ZPA Administration console and go to the Resource Management, Application Management, and then to the Application segment. As you can see, I have multiple predefined application segments under which applications are already installed. For example, as you can see here, Entra ID Authentication and GitLab. Let me take you through one of the pre-installed applications at Zero Trust Exchange. In this window, you can see the description of the application segment with segment groups, server groups, and other information as well. Now let's move to the AppProtection tab and open the same application we opened in the application segment and click on the Edit button under the Action tab. As we can see under the Edit Application segment, the AppProtection option is enabled, indicating that the application to be inspected for security vulnerabilities. Now, if we then take a look at Configuration and Control and Security Control and move to the OWASP predefined controls, we have a number of the OWASP top 10 predefined controls for things like PHP injection and remote code execution. You can see all of the vulnerability codes and then which inspection profiles those are linked to. Under the Custom Control tab, we also have custom controls that we have written specifically for blocking special characters in phone number input fields, where we can have a regular expression in a query string. Also, take a look at the WebSocket Controls tab. WebSocket controls allow you to inspect your WebSocket protocol traffic. The data is sent from ZPA to the application server, or from the application server to ZPA. The WebSocket TCP connection remains open until it is closed by either ZPA, a client, or the application server. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of predefined WebSocket controls. So if we want to add a custom control, we will click on the Add Custom Control option and give it a name. We say if it's in the request or the response, so in this case, it's a request, and we'll say Request Header, and we could give it a description. Click Next, and we're just going to give a header name. This is a freeform X header, and we're going to filter based on the size equals, less than or equals, greater than or equals, and a regular expression or contains, starts with or ends with for the match. Click Next, and what do we want to do? If we see that it's a medium vulnerability, and we want to block with a specific error code or we want to redirect to a URL, we click Next, we review, and we say this looks right. Click Save. Here we see the custom control has been created. We also have WebSocket vulnerabilities, and if we see protocol and framing errors or other WebSocket request errors, we can block based on those. If we have a WebSocket control, click on the Add WebSocket Control, provide a name to the control, select the control type as either request or response, select the request control type I, add a description, and click Next. In the control definition, we can select the maximum payload size, maybe 1000 bytes in this case, and click the Select the Control action as Allow or Block. Click Next. In the Severity tab, select the severity as Low, Medium, or High. Click Next. Review the WebSocket control and click on Save. As you can see, the custom WebSocket control has been added. If we now come across to the administration interface, we can go to the Analytics and go to the Dashboard. Under the Diagnostics tab, we can view the logs, errors, access policy blocks, and other related parameters. If we scroll down, we can see all the policies, views, service edges. If we expand a connection, we will be able to see all the information like start time, access policy name, user, service edge, and other information as well. And most importantly, we can also click on the View button to get the raw JSON file as well.